Hello, Alexei Krivitsky from Octopologist here. Let me teach you two difficult to pronounce English words that are very important in our domain of org development. So let's look at a startup company first. A small company that is surviving because it's trying to find the value that market would essentially value buy, right? That company is a team, right? The whole company is a team, and the team has a very special characteristics. Everybody in the team understands the purpose. So if they don't work together, if they don't put the best at work, they are not gonna probably make it. Okay, so the company has whole product focus, very high in terms of understanding the value of what we're working on, and also that company is learning a lot on the journey. Because one thing we're sure about startups is that you are sure that you are doing the wrong thing. So your goal is to learn as fast as possible and to pivot and to change your value proposition and essentially find that value that customers would value. So from a viewpoint of the octopologist, that startup company is a C3 kind of archetype. So they are having a whole product focus. They care about the whole thing, the business, and they also are learning quite a lot staying in a team. So C3 would be our classification of an idealistic startup, you can say. Then when the company grows, what happens is typically you start having those groups of people who are more alike than different. Say backend developers will talk to other backend developers and sit in one part of the office. Front-end developers sit in the other part of the office. Sales and marketing, because those people are having those loud calls, you would put them somewhere on the other part of the office, and now you have this compartment. Here goes the first complex English word: compartmentalization. Right? So the company now breaks into these compartments, pockets, units, whatever you call them. And they can be skill based, they can be functional based, but that's typically what's going to happen. Now comes the second difficult English word. Okay, now if that move from a startup, C3, to compartmentalized company, I'm still having difficult, compartmentalized company, will be actually a move from C3 to, I don't know, YA kind of organization per octopologist. Now, you say, hey, we would like to actually become more agile, more adaptive, faster again. How do you call that move? Well, if the previous one from a startup to a slower company is typically called scaling, well, the other one is actually descaling. And descaling is actually a move to bring youth back to the company. Here comes the word rejuvenation. Rejuvenation is bringing youth to the company. So we can say the agile transformation or the org change with the goal of bringing back adaptivity and agility to the company. It's a move to bring rejuvenation. We would like to become young again, adaptive again, happy again, have this energy of, going to different opportunities and trying different things out. Okay, so compartmentalization, remember that, and rejuvenation. And these words will be used extensively in our video course on Octopologist, which starts on December 1st. See you there.